doubt in any of the tool? All the tools are clear how to do it practically. Did you try at home? किसी फोटो को एडिट करा था? Yes. Okay, good. So do share with me whatever the photo editings you have done at home. First, just you have to select that the background, whatever the background is there, and then move के साथ उसको निकाल देना था. Okay, okay. So you can share your work. We can present in the class. Okay, okay. So today we have to discuss the exercises. Fill-ups. Dash are the animated images which are mostly used in web pages. Dash are the animated images which are mostly used in web pages. So first answer. What is the first answer? कौन सी images हैं जो हम use करते हैं? GIF, that is graphical interchange format. GIF. GIF are the animated images. These are not still images. These are the animated images. इसके ऊपर पहले से animation लगी होती है. The first version of the Photoshop was invented in which year? 1987. Dash works like an artist's paint box which holds all the drawing tools used to draw, paint, retouch or erase the image. That is louder. Tools palette. Correct. Crop tool is used to select the dash area which you want to focus or you want to remove. So it will focus on specified area. Some of the tools have tiny dash at the bottom right corner. Yes, the answer is black triangle. Why you people are not speaking loudly? You are not sure about the answers, even though you are giving the correct answers. Okay, the sixth one. Dash are the floating dialog boxes which helps the user with different options to edit the images. What do we call to the floating dialog boxes? जो आपको right side पे कितने सारे boxes दिखाई देते हैं? What do we call that? Palettes. The answer is palettes. Correct. Next, dash tool creates blend between different colors. Mixing of colors, blending of colors, gradient. Correct. Dash tool is used to select an image or any part to cut, copy, edit or perform any operation. So which tools? Selection tool. So for doing any operation, firstly we need to select using the selection tools. Okay. Any doubt? All the lines are clear? All right. Now next is true, false. Lasso tool is a bunch of 3 very useful tools used for selecting irregular shapes. True, so that is used for the irregular shapes. The palette well is present on the bottom right corner of the Photoshop window. Palette well kahan pe aata hai? Top right pe. Okay, so that is false. Marquee is a blinking selection border. Nobody is raising hand from the online students. Only offline students are giving me the answer. Why so? What happened to the online students? Give answers side by side. Marquee is a blinking selection border. True. There are 3 types of selection tool. How many types of selection tools are there? Selection, then lasso tools, quick selection, magic wand. So this is false. Adobe Photoshop 1.0 was launched in 1990. Yes, that is true. Clear? Answer is clear. You can unmute yourself, बच्चे, to give answers. All right. Now the application-based question. Poonam is a wildlife photographer. In one of her animals' photographs, she wants to focus only one lion in the pride and remove the rest. So which tool she will use for removing the others? Crop tool. She will use crop tool. Unmute yourself, बच्चे. Okay. Vidya has inserted an image of penguins. She wants to select an irregular area of the image. So which tool? For selecting the irregular parts, the tool is lasso tool. Multiple choice questions. Which is the latest version of Adobe Photoshop? The latest version of Adobe Photoshop is CC.
CC.
Yes. Who invented Photoshop? Thomas Knoll. Which bar shows different options of the currently selected tool? Context menu. Very good. Default extension of the Photoshop file?
.psd.
.psd. Correct. Which tool is used to remove the unwanted parts of image? So the tool is crop tool. Which key combination is used to deselect the selected area? Control plus D. Clear? All the answers are clear, bache? Any doubt? Okay. So what is Adobe Photoshop? Describe the features of Adobe Photoshop. What is Adobe Photoshop? And then you have to write the features. Yes? Yes, Adhika? Correct. So Adobe Photoshop is a graphic editing software developed by Adobe system, which is used by the millions of graphics, artists, web developers, photographers, so that various things can be created or edited with the Photoshop. And the features are revised, user-friendly. It is a photo editing or photo manipulation tool. We can create graphics, layer effects can be given. We can create 3D icons. All right. Any doubt? Any doubt in the first answer? Clear? Okay. Now the second is explain the use of magic wand. Yes, Manisha. Good. Yes, Prabnoor.
It is used to automatically select the adjacent areas of same color in an image.
Correct. Magic wand is used to automatically select the adjacent areas of the same color in an image. The shortcut key for the same is W. What do you understand by cropping? Yes. Cropping is defined when you want to remove unwanted parts of the image, or when you want to focus on the selected part of the image. The shortcut key is C. Clear? Clear? Differentiate between marquee and lasso tool. Yes. Anyone else? Irregular things. Yes. Any other answer? Same? Okay. So marquee tool is used to select an image or part of it within a selection that is either rectangular, square, elliptical, or circular shape. It is used to select a part of the image within a selection only, either in the form of rectangular, square, elliptical, or circular. Whereas lasso tool is used for selecting the irregular shapes. It is a freehand tool. It is used to select freehand irregular shapes. Clear? All the questions are clear, bache? Any doubt in any of the question or any of the back exercise? All the things are clear? Okay, so let's start with the next chapter. So we have to discuss the brush tool today. Okay, so for that, so what is a brush tool? Brush tool is basically comes under which category? Painting tool. Brush tool comes under painting tool, and it is used to create smooth strokes of the in the your particular image. किस color से आएंगे? Of a foreground color. Okay. With the help of the brush tool, we can able to draw. We can able to create smooth strokes given in foreground color on our image, and it comes under the painting tool. The shortcut key is B. The shortcut key for the same is B. But the screen is visible. Screen is visible to everyone. Okay. So see, this is a brush tool. Under the brush tool, you can see by clicking on the small triangle what all tools I can see. Brush tool, pencil tool, color replacement tool, mixer brush tool. Okay. By default, abhi kaun sa currently selected hai? That is a brush tool. Whenever you want to shift to the next tool, what you can do? You can press Shift plus B. क्योंकि इसकी शॉर्टकट की B है, तो जब आप Shift plus B करेंगे, so you can see now it's turned into the pencil tool. See, again when I'm clicking on it, it's come to the color replacement tool. Again I'm pressing Shift plus B. Last, mixer brush tool. Once again I'm pressing Shift plus B. Again it comes back to the brush tool. So whatever the tool you want to select, you can use these shortcut keys. Okay, so we are starting with the brush tool first. As I already told you that brush tool is just to create the brush strokes. So we are having so many brush predefined, the inbuilt brushes are there. So let's see how it works. And in order to increase the size of the brush, right square bracket is to be used. And in order to decrease the size of the brush, you can use left square bracket. Left square bracket say you can reduce the size of brush by pressing one time left square bracket. It will reduce the size of brush. Similarly, when you want to increase, you can continuously press right side the square bracket on the keyboard. Okay. Apart from that, you can also take the size from here. If you don't want to be in the shortcuts, so you can directly change the size from here also. What I have done, select the brush tool. So this is the box from where you can set the size of the brush and the hardness of the brush. Okay. And here are the brushes that are available. जो आपके सामने brushes available हो रहे हैं. So you can see it is by default it is selecting here small thumbnail. तो ये thumbnails आ रहे हैं हर brush के small. Okay. You can change it to text only if you want to view its name. We can change it to text. So see, the names will be appearing of the brush. Soft round, hard round, soft round brush, pressure size. So different types of brushes are available. How you want to view it, it's up to you. You want to view it in a thumbnail. You want to view it as a text only. And if you want to view stroke, किस brush का क्या stroke size आ रहा है और कैसा उसका stroke effect आ रहा है, so we can have the strokes here. आपको किस तरह से रखना है, so this is up to you how you want to view your brushes. Okay. One way is this कि आप directly यहाँ से इसको click करके open कर रहे हो by right clicking on it, or directly on the canvas also you can right click. अगर मैं canvas पे भी right click करूंगी, again this brush box will open from where you can set the size and you can choose the strokes. So simply you have to choose the brush here. You can set the size from here or by using the shortcut key, that is left square bracket or right square bracket. Then from here you can set the hardness of the brush, kitna aapko hard rakhna hai. And let's say the I already told you brush will work with foreground color. Okay, so by default yahan pe abhi jo bhi color hai, so simply see this way you have to apply the brush effects. Now if I will change the hardness, you see there is a difference in the stroke, so that will depend upon the brush size you are taking or the brush hardness you are taking. Now there are so many brushes. So see, this is a brush now. I'm changing a color. All right. Okay. So different kind of brushes will give you different effects. So this can be, the smaller the size you will take. So this can be used for calligraphy also. Calligraphy fonts. ऐसे ही होते हैं ना? Right? So these type of brushes, by depending, you are setting the hardness and the size of the brush, you can use it as a calligraphy brushes also. All right. So there are different types of brushes. You can see the strokes are available. You can choose any according to your requirement. So see, जितना मैंने इसका छोटा ब्रश रखा हुआ था वो फ्लो ही नहीं बन रहा था ब्रश. Okay. So bigger the number. Okay. Again it is hanging. So wait for a while. Okay. So this is, I have increased the size of a brush now. To see. All right. कैसे आपको अपने ब्रश को मूव करना है, right? So this is the different kind of brush. Again, it depends upon you which brush you want to take. Now you can use the brushes inside your selection also. For example, I have made this selection and now I'm going to choose the brush. I'm changing the brush from here. So see, there is a brush. Different kinds of brushes are there. So this is a grass. So let's say if I'm going to change the color here, and it will also take the brush, जो आपका grass वाला brush है, that will take the, थोड़ा सा, yes, okay. It will also take your background color as well. Foreground and background color both it is taking. Now I have used the selection, so it is not going outside the selection. Okay, अगर आपको outside the selection करना है तो what we will use? We will inverse the selection by using Control plus Shift plus I. So you can reverse it. Clear? So now if you want to change it, okay, let it be this way. So these are the brushes. So you can change the size, the hardness of the brush, जैसे भी आपको चाहिए, right? Now here you can see the opacity is coming. So look at the opacity now. You can see it is fading down. अब देखो फेड हो रहा है ना कलर, तो जितनी आप opacity कम करोगे उतना वो opaque और transparent होता चले जाएगा. So this you can set, right? Okay. The next you can set, see, flow. Flow means the quantity of color the brush is giving. कितना कलर आपके ब्रश में से आ रहा है, that will depend upon the flow. अभी 100% है तो ये प्रॉपर फ्लो में आ रहा है. ठीक है, opacity हम इसकी इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं. See, now if I will reduce the flow, see, okay, so this is how it varies. Opacity, how transparent you want to set, and flow means how much quantity of the color you want. So this you can set. So these are the preset brushes which are available. So either you can directly right click on the canvas and choose the particular brush from here, or you can either choose it from, right, or you can directly choose it from here. अगर आपको इन्वर्स करना है तो कंट्रोल प्लस शिफ्ट प्लस आए तो आप बाहर की तरफ भी इसको, इफ यू वांट टू मेक एनी काइंड ऑफ बॉर्डर्स यू से, तो आप कोई भी ले सकते हो ब्रश यहाँ से. यू कैन सेट दी ओपेसिटी, यू कैन सेट दी हार्डनेस of the brush, size of the brush, like this. Clear? Now for deselecting, control plus D. So you, by this way you can make your backgrounds. All right. Okay. Now next is the pencil tool. That is, so moving to that, either you can click on this drop down arrow and choose from here, or directly by using shift plus B. So it will come on to the pencil tool. So pencil tool is nothing but just a free hand pencil like you used to write it on the paper in the notebooks. The same way we can write on the canvas with the help of the pencil. Again, we have to choose the size of the pencil, the tipper, and the hardness you can set. Okay, so see. So this you can also do with the help of the brush. So that depends upon you that whether you want to use this pencil or brush. All right. So once again, changing the size, either you can change it from here also, size, hardness of the brush, then the pencil stroke, the brush stroke, you can set it from here. So this way, you can create your lines. Okay, so the same options are giving here. Opacity, if you want to make it a little transparent. Okay, now next option you can see here are the modes are given. Normal, so this is a normal mode. Okay, same way you can use the modes with the brush tool also, gradient also. Gradient में भी modes use कर सकते हो, blending modes, and with the brush tool also. Now if I'm using dissolve, so this is the effect. So it is changing. Okay, darken, lighten. अब किसी के ऊपर कलर जाएगा, same to see how it is changing. All right. Screen. So different effects for the brushes and the pencil that you can use. Okay. आपको ब्रश के साथ भी मैं यहाँ पे दिखा देती हूँ. So this is the brush. So dissolve, color burn, multiply. Okay, clear? Brush and pencil tool is clear. Any doubt? All right. So see, if I'm applying this auto erase now, so you can see the effects. All right. These two tools are clear, brush and pencil. Okay. Now I want to, let's say we will work on now color replacement tool. So what is a color replacement tool? Color replacement tool helps you to change the color of the existing image to a new color. Means आपके पास कोई भी image है, so you can change the color of that. Let's say, let me open one image. Okay, so if I'm taking this image now, so see, it is showing at 16% because this is very huge image. Okay, now I want to change the color of the image. So what I can do, there are two methods. So if you are using the color replacement tool, so this is the color replacement tool. Okay, so when you will click here, so you can see अब यहाँ पे I can change the foreground color जिससे भी मेरे को ये change करना है. So this is the sample pixel I have taken. So these are the 3 modes. Okay, and you can increase the size, the hardness, and the spacing. So this way you can change. Now see, अब यहाँ पे जब मेरा ये टारगेट सिंबल बना है, आई एम चेंजिंग इट. अगर ये प्लस साइन मेरा इस बाउंड्री से बाहर चला जाएगा, प्लस साइन विल इफ इट विल गो आउटसाइड, it will make the color outside also, it will fill the color outside also. So what's the better way for doing this? Can anybody tell me what I can do? I will firstly make a selection. ठीक है, आप सिलेक्शन कर लो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी मैं फटाफट से यहाँ पे क्विक सिलेक्शन कर रही हूँ. It is again hanging system. Okay. थोड़ा ब्रश साइज रिड्यूस करके so that it can just select the jacket. All right. So this portion also I want to add in my selection. And here I want to reduce a little. Add this to selection. Clear? Now this is the selection we have made. Okay. Now, अब अगर आप same tool के साथ work करेंगे, that is the color replacement tool. So you have taken the target symbol. So you can see now the plus symbol is appearing. So now if you will do color, so see, if you are even moving outside of the selection, it will not change. It will not fill. Okay. This is a color replacement. जितने smaller areas हैं, for that we have to reduce our brush size. So this way you can change the color of a particular image. जितने भी हमारे soft edges रह गई हैं, you can manually do this by reducing the brush size. So जितनी भी हमारी selection हुई थी, so all that color has been done. So now I'm going to deselect it to see the color of the image has been changed. So this is one way that you are using the color replacement tool, and with the help of taking the target symbol, you are just filling the color. यहाँ पे एक tolerance है, जितना आप उसका कम कलर रखोगे उतना वो कलर की वेरिएशन वो कम उठाएगा. जितना आप ज्यादा कलर टॉलरेंस रख रहे हो तो नंबर ऑफ मैचिंग कलर्स कैन बी मोर. ओके, द सेम वी यूज्ड टू डू इन द मैजिक वेब. ओके, now the other way is बच्चे, okay, I'm going to revert it, whatever the changes we have done right now. The second way, that is the quickest way. अगर आपका सिर्फ intention इतना ही है that you want to change the color of the image, so we can quickly do that by going to the image. Under the image, that is the adjustments, and then adjustments में जाके you have to choose the option replace color. Okay, once again look at the command, image, adjustments, and then replace color. So replace color window will be opened. So this dialog box. Now this is a color picker. This is a color picker. कि आप कहाँ पे चेंज करना चाहते हो. पहले तो हम सारे इसके सैंपल पिक्सल्स उठा लेंगे. अब देखो कहीं पे डार्कर कलर है, कहीं पे ब्लैकिश टोन आ रही है, जहां पे लाइट पड़ रही है वहां पे लाइटर टोन आ रही है. So we will pick all the colors. Okay, we will pick all the colors. We will make the samples so that all type of colors that are filled inside it, that can be picked. Okay, so once you have picked the color, so you can add it using the plus. So this is add to sample. जितने number of colors आपने add करने हैं, so आप यहाँ से add करते जाओ. Lighter, the brighter tones, all the tones will be selected. All the colors, sample colors will be picked. Lighter tone, darker tone. Okay. So, but before doing this, again, I want to make a selection so that क्योंकि अदरवाइज फिर मेरा कलर कहाँ पे जाएगा, आउटसाइड द क्लोथ. सो आई वांट टू मेक फॉर दैट. So selection has been done. Now, what if I want to make a copy of it? If I want to make a copy, then हम पूरी इमेज ले लेते हैं. चलो, Alt, right? Using by going on to the move tool, press Alt key. You are taking a copy, right? Now, for doing the transformation, Control plus T. For doing the transformation, the shortcut key is Control plus T. तो जब मैंने Control plus T किया तो मेरे पास इसके handles आ गए. So I can resize it like this. Now Control D. So selection done. Now apply the transform. So this way I have copied the image. Now this is the original image and the smaller one is the copied image. Now I want to change the color of this. So firstly, once again, I'm going to select. I want to just change the color of the jacket. So going on to the image now, adjustments, then replace color. So firstly, pick the sample pixel that whose color you want to change. Let it be, I have taken now. Plus, second wala hai plus. Means all the variations of the color will be checked now. Lighter and brighter tones. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैंने सारे sample pixels अपने pick कर लिए. Done. Okay, now all the colors has been selected. Okay, now the next step is see the hue. So whatever the color you want to change, you can change. So this is the quickest way. Okay, saturation कितनी रखनी है आपने, brightness, for example I want to change. यहाँ से भी आप कलर ले सकते हो कि आपको किस कलर में चेंज करना है. सो आई एम चूजिंग दिस कलर. ओके, ऑल राइट. अब जो बाकी आपके रह गए हैं वो बाकी आप थोड़ा थोड़ा उसमें ब्रश से भी कर सकते हो. अदरवाइज मे बी यहाँ पे सैंपल सारे पिक नहीं हुए हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई. क्लियर? आई हैव कॉपीड इट. मेक द कॉपी ऑफ दैट. Transformation is to be applied by using Control plus T. One way is either you are using the color replacement tool and then जो भी color आपका foreground में selected रहेगा by taking the sample pixel, you can apply the color using a brush within a selection. Okay. The second way, image adjustments and then the replace color dialog box will get open and then you have to choose the sample pixels. One again, add to the selections whatever the colors you want to choose. So add to the selection and the colors can be applied. Okay, any doubt in the today's topic? So we have done with the exercises and brush tool, pencil tool and color replacement tool. So I hope you will complete your notebooks well on time. So submit till Monday. Okay, don't be in the defaulter list. Kindly submit your books till Monday. And these 3 tools are clear to everyone. Any doubt? All right. So this way you can change the colors. आपकी अपनी self pictures पड़ी होंगी ना घर पे, उनके colors अपने dresses पे colors change करके देखना. So this will be a fun.